Quick question. When you say real time, do you secretly mean every 15 minutes?
Hmm? 15 minutes is not real time. You can get a coffee before the report loads. Real time is showing things which are happening right now.
Couldn't you just explain it in slides?
Sure, we can do this. What we can do as well is we can build a Fabric real-time solution in only one day, hands-on, which is much more fun.
End to end. Like, actually end to end.
Real-time hub, Eventstream, Eventhouse, data activator, dashboards that move, small group, I break things, we fix them.
And when is this miracle happening?
March 5th in Utrecht. If you heard the buzz but want to build it for real, join me. Links right here.